Valentine's Day, also known as St. Valentine's Day or the Feast of St. Valentine, is celebrated on 14th February of each year. It is celebrated in most of the countries across the globe, although it is not a public holiday in most of them. Now, what do we really know about Valentine's Day? Well, it started by a famous saint, Saint Valentinus, who resided in Rome way long back in time. He was imprisoned for performing wedding ceremonies for the soldiers who were forbidden to get married and attaining to the Christians who were persecuted under the Roman Empire. On his day of execution, he wrote a loving letter to the daughter of the jailer, Astrius, who he healed, and signed it as Your Valentine, which ironically became the most romantic line to be ever used. So, Valentine's Day is a global event, celebrated all across the globe. Well, in different countries, people celebrate it in a different manner, like by giving flowers, going on a date, giving gifts. But in Europe, on the day of Valentine, one lover gives a Valentine key to the other lover as a romantic symbol and an invitation to unlock the giver's heart. Isn't that romantic? Now what about India? In India, in early years, we used to celebrate Lord Kamadeva, the Lord of Love. He was exemplified in Khajuraho monuments. In the Middle Ages, somehow we stopped celebrating Kamadeva and the sexual affection in public was frowned upon. After that, Valentine's Day did not catch on in India until the 1992. Even in those years, it happened only because of the commercial TV programs aired in MTV, radio programs being hosted, and love letter writing competitions, etc. Despite these obstacles, Valentine's Day is becoming increasingly popular in India, especially among the youth. They are celebrating their relationship not by only gifting their boyfriends and girlfriends, but even their parents, their close friends, and sometimes even themselves, thus increasing the Indian market activity during this time of the year. Valentine's Day market pegged at $27 million. An industrial body valued Valentine's Day market at $27 million, that is close to 15,000 crores, by conducting a survey in which they included 800 executives in major metros and 1,000 students from educational institutions. The Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India said that the market size not only grew for Valentine's Day but was large throughout the week, as the week starts with Rose Day followed by Proposal Day, then Chocolate Day, Teddy Day, and so on till Valentine's Day. They also said that men tend to spend double the amount than women do for Valentine's Day. Can't say anything, we just love gifts. Youths working in BPO, IT companies and large corporations said they are willing to spend 1,000 to 50,000 rupees for Valentine's Day, and students studying in educational institutes are willing to spend between 500 to 10,000 rupees for this Valentine's Day, said the survey. The Valentine's Day market has been increasing immensely over the past 4 to 5 years, with jewelry and flower being the most preferred gifts. But in the metro city, the demand for something different was on a rise. The V-Day package tours are on offer. It ranges between 5,000 to 50,000 rupees, which includes places like Kerala, Goa, Nainital, Mount Abu, among the many. Still, the maximum amount of revenue incurred are by the sales of greeting cards, chocolates, flowers, cell phones, etc. Having said that, we all know that Valentine's Day is a great time of the year to earn some extra money. So if you are looking for some ideas to earn extra money during this time of the year, here are a few. First, flower arrangements. We all know that flowers are the part and parcel of every celebration in India. So if you have that creative spark in you, you can always start by making some bouquets and sell it on Valentine's Day. We all know they go like hotcakes on Valentine's Day. Second, graphic designing. If you're good at creating design, then you can take up this business up for this Valentine's Day. We all know that graphic designing needs very less investment and a whole lot of time and talent. So if you have it in you to create a great design, you can do so for your client, which they can use it as a gift. Third, customized chocolate. If you are a great cook and an expertise in making chocolates, then you can do this for this Valentine's Day. You can take up your clients by a surprise by making different sizes of chocolates for them, maybe inscribing their names and different designs. Fourth, cards. If you are an amazing artist and you can draw, then why don't you go ahead and make a card and you can sell it and it will be unique. Fifth, if you are a great singer or you can play instruments, then dude, this is your time of the year. You can go ahead and do musical performances. You can charge your clients as they want to surprise their loved ones by a romantic melody or something like that. So, what are you waiting for? Last but not the least, jewelry designing. Ring, bracelet, necklaces. Oh, they're amazing gifts for your girlfriends. So a venture into this type of a business wouldn't be a loss at this time of the year. So you can always opt for some designing in diamonds, gold, silver, and they will go out like hot cakes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. You got to know about Valentine's Day and what love really means. And I hope you got some great business ideas to enjoy and have a great time this Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please like it and you can leave your comments in the comment box and let us know what we can do for other videos and more ideas. Thank you.